Good morning children, I am T. Karnasri, TGT Social Studies, TTWRS Boys Padavura. Today we learn about Parliament and Central Government. The Constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government in the country. First of all, what is Parliament? Parliament is a supreme legislative power of the country. Parliament is the highest law-making body. Next, important functions of Parliament. What is the functions of Parliament? First one is making laws. Parliament makes laws in the whole country. And second one is making policies for the entire country. For example, forest, natural resources, education, relations with other countries, and industries, agriculture, etc. In 1986, Parliament adopted in 1986 National Policy on Education, and at the same time in 2009 one act is adopted by Parliament, Right to Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act. This Parliament is divided into two parts. First one is Lok Sabha and second one is Rajya Sabha. Now we learn about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. See children, this is the Parliament. It is located in Delhi. Delhi is our capital city. This is the sitting arrangements in the Parliament. Parliament is divided into two houses. First one is Lok Sabha and second one is Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as lower house. Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the people. Every 5 years Lok Sabha elections conducted by the election commissioner. Our election commissioner is Sunil Arora. Okay, this term is 5 years. Who are having 18 years above age people can vote these elections. Lok Sabha speaker is Om Birla, and Lok Sabha seats 552 seats. Among the 552 seats, 530 members are elected from the states, and 20 members are elected from the union territories, and 2 members are nominated by the president. Present Lok Sabha seats 545 seats. Last elections conducted held in 2019. The next one is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha members indirectly elected by legislative members. Rajya Sabha is also known as upper house. This term is 6 years. Every 2 years, 1/3 members are retirement and another members are replaced in that areas. And the leader of the house is Thawarchand Gehlot. Maximum 250 seats in Rajya Sabha. Among the 250 seats, 238 members from states and 12 members nominated by the president. Last elections held in 2019. Present he is the our president Ramnath Kovind, and he is the PM, our Prime Minister. Telangana has 17 constituencies in Lok Sabha. First elections were held in 1951 to 52. Okay children, this is the today's topic. Thank you.